Hey everyone, you've built your app, and now it's time for the final step, going live. In 2026, Emergent AI makes the transition from building to hosting very clear. Today, I'm showing you exactly what happens when you hit that deploy button and how you can move your project forward. Step 1. Final health check. Before we publish, run the health check in the editor. This ensures your AI logic is sound and your credits are ready. In 2026, you want to make sure your responsive design is toggled on so your app looks great on both mobile and desktop right out of the gate. Step 2. The deploy trigger. When you're ready, click the deploy button in the top right. At this point, Emergent will prompt you with their 2026 subscription plans. This is where you decide how you want to share your app. For most of you watching, the standard plan is the go-to because it unlocks private hosting and custom domains. Step 3. Choosing your path forward. Once you select a plan, you have two paths. You can use Emergent's managed hosting to get a live URL instantly, perfect for quick launches. Or if you're a developer, you can use the GitHub sync feature included in the paid tiers to push your code to your own servers like Vercel or Netlify. Step 4. Managing live credits. After you choose a plan and your app goes live, keep an eye on your credit dashboard. Live apps in 2026 use credits to process user requests. If your app goes viral, you can easily top up your credits from this screen to ensure your users never hit a service unavailable message. Step 5. Instant sync updates. The best part of being live is that your editor stays connected. If you want to change a color or add a new AI feature, just make the change in Emergent and hit sync. Your live app updates instantly without you having to touch a single line of hosting code again. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.